Hi, I'm Bill, and I'm here today to tell you about the Department of Revenue program called Voluntary Disclosure that can help some individuals or businesses better comply with Missouri's tax laws. Now, let's say a person or a business, for whatever reason, hasn't filed an annual income tax return for the past 4 years. This is obviously a serious situation, but there is a way to comply with the law. The person or business in our example would have the option of contacting the Missouri Department of Revenue as part of the Voluntary Disclosure Program. So how would you start the voluntary disclosure process? Well, the easiest way is to go to the department's website at www.dor.mo.gov and complete the Form 5310. This form is an application for a voluntary disclosure agreement. Once we receive an application, the department reviews the facts it has received and decides whether to offer an agreement to the applicant. You can remain anonymous up to the point when an agreement is accepted by using a representative to negotiate or speak on your behalf. The process is the same for individuals and businesses. Some businesses which owe back taxes in several states can contact the Multi-State Tax Commission for assistance. The Voluntary Disclosure Program applies to all of the different types of taxes that are collected by the department. Any person, partnership, or business is eligible. However, a key requirement is that anyone who wishes to use this program must not have been contacted by the department in the past. Someone who has already received notices that they owe taxes, is under audit, or who is in the middle of settling past tax obligations with the department cannot apply to be part of the Voluntary Disclosure Program. This is strictly for people or businesses who have not filed past returns and who wish to come forward so they can settle their past obligations. Now, under the program, the taxpayer must pay any taxes due for the past 4 years, plus any interest that has accrued. And of course, the taxpayer must start filing and paying current taxes. So why would any eligible person or business want to apply for the Voluntary Disclosure Program? Remember, you can apply anonymously. And for those who comply with all the requirements of the program, all penalties that would normally be assessed by the department would be waived. As mentioned before, the back taxes and interest on those taxes would have to be paid, but there would be no penalties. Under normal circumstances, for similar cases that are discovered by the Department of Revenue, penalties can add up. So it's financially smart for eligible taxpayers to exercise this option. The Department of Revenue makes voluntary disclosure convenient and confidential. If you have questions about the department's convenient and confidential voluntary disclosure program, you can learn more at the Department of Revenue's website at www.dor.mo.gov. You can also call the department at area code 573-751-8612 or email the department at nexus@dor.mo.gov. Thanks for watching.